Microsoft just named its Superintelligence strategy, and the phrase is meant to set the tone: Humanist Superintelligence. Microsoft describes that strategy as superintelligence designed to serve people and organizations, rather than replace them.
That framing matters because the announcement is not centered on one model, but on a full MAI model family.
The first major piece is visual. MAI Image 2.5 and MAI Image 2.5 Flash.
Microsoft announced both models for high-quality image generation and image editing. MAI Image 2.5 is already live in PowerPoint.
It is also rolling out to OneDrive.
And for builders, MAI Image 2.5 is available on Foundry.
So, the image models are not being presented only as demos or research previews.
They are being placed inside Microsoft products and made available through Foundry.
The next part of the announcement moves from images to audio with MAI Transcribe 1.5.
Microsoft says MAI Transcribe 1.5 is being integrated into GitHub.
It is also being integrated into Teams. It is being integrated into Copilot as well.
And it is being integrated into Dynamics 365 Contact Center.
MAI Transcribe 1.5 is also available on Foundry.
Then Microsoft announced MAI Voice 2, a speech generation model.
The company describes MAI Voice 2 as focused on natural delivery.
It also highlights prosody as part of the model's speech capabilities.
And Microsoft says MAI Voice 2 supports fine-grained emotional control.
MAI Voice 2 is available in 15 languages. Microsoft says more languages are planned. For low-latency voice agent workloads, Microsoft announced Voice 2 Flash. That gives the voice side of the announcement both a quality-focused model and a low-latency option.
The announcement also includes reasoning with MAI Thinking 1.
Microsoft says MAI Thinking 1 is Microsoft AI's first reasoning model. MAI Thinking 1 is a mixture of experts model.
It has 35 billion active parameters. It also has a 256K context window.
Microsoft claims MAI Thinking 1 achieved 97% on AME 2025. Microsoft also claims it achieved 53% on SWE Bench Pro. Coding gets its own model in the announcement too, MAI Code 1 Flash. MAI Code 1 Flash is a 5 billion parameter coding model. Microsoft describes it as inference efficient. It is tuned for VS Code.
It is also tuned for GitHub Copilot CLI.
Microsoft claims MAI Code 1 Flash achieves 51% on SWE Bench Pro.
The company says MAI Code 1 Flash is rolling out in VS Code.
Microsoft also announced that MAI models will be available beyond Microsoft's own platforms.
The company says MAI models will be available on OpenRouter.
They will also be available on Fireworks. They will also be available on Bysten for direct weight tuning in external ecosystems. Safety and security are part of the model family announcement as well. Microsoft says the family includes protections against unauthorized voice cloning.
It also says the models include watermarking.
Microsoft says the family is designed to reduce over-refusals.
And it says the models improve representation for people with disabilities.
The customization story is called Microsoft Frontier Tuning.
Microsoft announced Frontier Tuning for customizing MAI models using reinforcement learning environments.
The goal is to create company-specific and task-specific agents.
Microsoft also made a cost and benchmark claim around Excel tuning.
The company says MAI tuning for Excel is on par with GPT 5.4 on public and private benchmarks.
Microsoft also says that Excel tuning is 10 times more cost-efficient. Finally, the announcement reaches healthcare through a partnership with Mayo Clinic. Microsoft says the two organizations will jointly develop and deploy a frontier healthcare model. That model is intended for clinical and logistical healthcare use cases. Taken together, Microsoft is presenting Humanist Superintelligence as a product strategy, a model family, and a customization platform.
Images, transcription, voice, reasoning, coding, external tuning, and healthcare all appear in the same announcement.
The closing signal is clear. Microsoft wants MAI models serving people, organizations, and specific work, not replacing them.